Hi everyone, in Microsoft Word you can insert a Chicago style citation using the built-in reference tool. So for this you need to first click on the reference tab on the top menu bar, and in the citation and bibliography group you need to click on this style drop down and select the Chicago. So depending on the version of the Word you may see Chicago 16 edition or another Chicago version. And now click at the end of the sentence or paragraph where you want to add the citation. Here I am inserting on the first paragraph, and then head to the reference and click on the insert citation and click on the add new source. Here you need to select the type of source. If you want to insert the citation for the book, you need to select the book and then click on the author edit tab and type the first name and last name. For example, Callahan, and the first name is David. Click add and click OK. And here in the title you need to put the title of the book. For example, The Perfect Brothers. And here you need to put the year 2026, and the city is New York, and the publisher is Simon and Fisher. Click OK to proceed. So Word will automatically place the formatted citation. And now move your cursor to the end of your document where you want your reference to be appeared. And then go to the reference tab and now click on the bibliography. You can either select the bibliography, reference or works cited. So I'll be selecting works cited, and here you can see that Word will automatically generate a fully formatted list of all sources you cited. So I hope you understand how you can insert a Chicago style citation in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.